Hey everybody, XJody1X. So I'm driving around town, I'm doing my thing, and this is thrown out. Now, when it's thrown out where I live, that means that somebody purchased a brand new one, picked it up, and said, I'll install it myself. And when this is on the curb, that means the truck didn't do anything. You know, they didn't take it. So I didn't even look at it, I just brought it home, and it looks like it's a GE. Make and model are over there. The front comes off with these clips. Definitely a different make and model than the other Whirlpools and stuff. The lid comes out with one of these, and I have this in there. Here are the connection, the knobs, if you want to hit pause. This thing stinks. It smells like mildew. It smells like what? So I got cap in the hot, got the cold. We're gonna plug it in, and we're gonna see. Oh, I pulled this out. This is on the different side. This looks like it has one of these jobbers. So if I do fix this, or if I do clean it and I resell it on Facebook, you're gonna have to look up the part number. I'm not playing with that. I'm not buying stuff. Let's just take a quick look around due to the fact that it's not your traditional. If I was to take the tub apart, it looks like there's these weird rubber grommets that stop everything from moving, which is funny. Got your control panel. I'd have to take this off. I'd probably have to pop this off to take the tub out. We have these weird jobbers, just shaking it. The motor's right here. There's a belt. Let's see if I can get underneath it. There's a belt. I don't know if you could see. I could see. Here's the little pump. So it's totally different machine. Again, here's a belt. Has a motor, wires, and has the tube. I don't know what that is. Maybe anti-tipping device? I don't know. So we're gonna put this on the tripod, and we're gonna see if it just works. I'm not cleaning it yet. I'm not doing anything yet. I want to see if it just works. The bottom shows no rust, so it's probably not dirty or leaking. So let's plug it in. Let's see if I just get power. Might even just turn on. Who knows? Okay. So we have super, cold, and fabric softener. Well, that could be another reason. Yeah. I could see maybe what's wrong. I think it's a timer issue. Push it in. Pull knobs to start, push to stop. What's the lift switch? Go. Oh, it's just instantly draining. Oh, it's not even filling up. I lost my precious thing popped off. this is when one thing turns and the other doesn't. Where'd my lid switch go? You see where my thing went? It just fell. It fell right on camera. It just fell. It's amazing. It just fell. It like popped off. That's so funny. Alright, it's doing its own thing. I think this is broken. I think that's what happened. Making all sorts of noises. Look, yeah, see? I think the timer broke. Oh, the timer broke. It didn't break, it has to be held. Like I'm holding the back, see that? That's a problem. And hose. I mean, it can be fixed. It just stinks. This might be one of those, you know, one of those jobbers where it's like, okay, the timer is wonky, so you can't sell it. You could strip it for parts and put it on eBay as far as the knobs. I'd pull the motor, the belt, the pump, but for what? I don't own a GE. I'd like to know where my, what do you call it, went. I'd have to find that off camera. I'm just taking a look-see here. Just taking a look. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this up. I called the mad scientist and he says that because there's no pipe on the back, because the guy broke it, the fact that the water is just going in the basket, gravity makes it come out the back, so you can't ever test it. You need the tube to go up and over above the water line, and that's probably, you know, one of the reasons. Probably should read up on how it works. I'm gonna leave it out here. I don't think it's raining tonight, and if it does rain, I don't give a flying peep. I'm not touching it or cleaning it. Maybe one day we'll have the mad scientist come over, we'll take a look, we'll start the camera again, and if it's completely functioning and JK18 says it's something worth it, you know, then I'll clean it and sell it. But the problem is the back. You have to hold the timer. It lost, so maybe I could dump a bunch of glue, which is really not the right thing, but maybe a zip tie and glue. I want to prevent the timer, if you're looking at it, to not move, because once you take the knob, the timer is moving, so you don't know if it's hot, cold. I still don't know what it is. So I'll take the timer apart maybe real quick, just because I can. I'll wrap up the video. It's very sunny. I'll show you what I'm talking about, if you could see. Let's see, can you see? For the most part. So this, there's a little knob here that someone broke or pushed too hard. You would have to disconnect this, see? It's doing this. So I was thinking maybe I put a little glue in there, a schmutz, maybe a screw. It could be fixed. It's just, you know, how much time and effort. I'd rather find out if it works before I fix this. And I could glue the hell out of that. I know it's not a good sale. Let me show you. Yeah, see? I could glue the hell out of that. You could go in it, you could go up, you could do crazy glue. You know, it just needs to stop moving. But right, this is what it's doing. So maybe if I just schmutz it, there's a hole here. If you put glue in there, I know it's a hack job, and nobody likes the fact that, oh, look at this. After, you know, you buy it, you sell it, and then I get a phone call in a month. You know, you could buy a brand new timer. But again, anyway, let me go find my jumper cable that decided to just shit itself. Maybe it's on camera. Hit like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned, because we are going to continue this project. Ciao for now.